Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create Disney Plus account on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to make sure that you already have an application for the Disney Plus, and now just tap on it. To create the new account here, you just have to enter for your mobile number first, and now tap on this arrow. At the bottom you will find out the option which is create and manage your account at this web, guys. Just tap on it like this, and now tap on continue. And as you can see, for this Disney Plus application, we have to plan it first. Tap on this subscribe now. After, just enter your phone number. Now tap on the done here, tap on arrow. And after here, you just have to enter for the code that's sent to your phone number. If you're done, tap on this continue. And it will look like this, guys. You can choose here for the monthly. I'm gonna choose this basic, guys. And the next step, you have to payment first. Tap on this continue with basic, and now you can choose the payment method that you want to use by debit card or the wallet here that provided. I'm gonna use my wallet, guys. Maybe I'm gonna skip the video while I have finished for the payment. When the payment is done, it will look like this. We have to wait for a second. Now tap on this start watching, and after here you can open it again by the applications, guys. Now I'm gonna open it by applications, and after in this page you have to enter it again to your phone number like before. And if you're done, tap on this arrow, and now just enter the verification code again that's sent to your phone. And in this page, enter your email address, guys. Now tap on this arrow. Again and again, you have to check your email address for the verification code. Here, I'm gonna check it first. And this is the verification code. Here, I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna pass it to the column at the applications before, like this. And in this page you can enter your profile's name like this, and now tap on this checklist icon. After, you can select the content rating first by tap on it, and this is the rating that you can use. For example, I'm still use this 21 plus rating, and after, tap on this create your profile. And now you just have to choose the language that you want to use in this application. I'm going to use English like this, and now tap on arrow. And after, tap on allow for the notifications. And this is my Disney Plus account, guys. It's already created. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.